Hi everyone, just coming back to you with the indicator light install with custom made indicator light and blinker. It's on the other side. I still haven't put the amber vinyl wrap on it. As you can see, the indicator light's there and the turn signal is flashing, and it can only be really seen from the front, as this model does not have the turn signal in the mirror. I guess safety costs money nowadays, right? Everything's being budgeted, and of course this is what will be my next project if I can dismantle this and make it blink. Again, only from the back. So going back to the front here, going around the vehicle, you will see here in 1 second, I have to step on a tools. The indicator is there, and the blinker is also. So that custom install of an LED light is working great. I'm okay with the white, but it does look nicer with the orange in my mind. I also have a 98 Cherokee, awesome machine, 23 years old. Would never want to give it up. Unfortunately, the future, I guess, will be gasless, so we'll see what happens there. But for now, safety's first. Really disappointed with Chrysler for cheaping out on some safety features like $130 mirror versus, I guess, an OEM normal mirror. So, because that's how much they cost. But at this moment in time, I have put a lot of money into other vehicle parts. For example, these rims, which I will do a review on them too. KMC rims. I don't have the model number memorized, but either case, that'll be for another video with the Cooper all-terrain tires. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. I'll show another video of this blinker once it's colored. Thank you, and have a great day.